With March Madness approaching, Chris, it's time for college prospects to really show these NBA scouts what they can do. Your latest big board is out. It's the first one since Nerlens Noel of Kentucky went down with a season-ending injury. How did that affect your board?
Surprisingly, it didn't affect the board at all because teams are still going to draft Noel in the first 3 picks, despite the fact that he had surgery that's going to keep him out likely for most, if not all, of next season, because he has these great defensive instincts and teams are projecting him already as a starting center in the NBA. Now, he's not Anthony Davis. He doesn't have the upside that Davis has as far as becoming a superstar at the next level, but Noel is being projected as a guy who can step in, be an 82 game per season type center on a very good team. So any of the size-starved teams, and I'm talking about Cleveland, I'm talking about Washington, if they wind up in the top 3, I don't think they'll hesitate or allow Nerlens Noel to get past them in one of those picks.
Who else is rising fast on your board?
Well, Marcus Smart, the kid from Oklahoma State, has just skyrocketed up the board over these last 2 months. He's a kid that has a great NBA body for a point guard. He's 6'4", about 220 pounds. He's got those great physical attributes. He gets into the paint. He makes good decisions when he gets into the paint. We're talking about an 18-year-old freshman here, the kid that's going to even continue to develop polish as his career continues. Teams are salivating over the possibility of getting their hands on him and developing him over the next few years.
Yeah, good tradition of guards coming out of Oklahoma State in the last few years. Finally, this is the time of year for debate. We can debate draft boards. We can debate who should be in the tournament. How about the biggest debate going on in your board?
Well, Otto Porter from Georgetown is a tremendous college player. He's got a good mid-range game. He defends well. He attacks the rim relentlessly on rebounding. He can shoot the three-point shot when he has to. But teams, as much as they like the way he's played at the college level, there's some concern about how that game translates to the NBA level. They're not sure that his pieces advance themselves and he becomes a better player once he gets, or at least a starting caliber player once he gets to the next level. And Otto Porter is being projected as a top 5, top 7 type pick. So you want to make sure you get a sure thing with one of those picks. One executive compared Otto Porter to Wesley Johnson, the kid that came out of Syracuse a few years ago, who turned out to be an average NBA player as so far at best. That's not the type of player teams are looking to get if they're going to draft Otto Porter that high. So he's someone that's generated a lot of debate amongst the teams internally, and teams just aren't so sure that the great college talents are going to become great NBA talents.
Yeah, the scouts could have a lot more opportunities, though, to scout Otto Porter because Georgetown is expected to go very far in this year's tournament. Chris, thanks a lot.
You got it.